How to make money doing micro tasks. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you one of the best paying micro working website around. And the beauty about this website that I'm about to show you is it works from anywhere in the world and it works on any device. All you need is internet access. As you can see right here, this person has earned $28 in the last hour, and the person below earned $26, and you can see the list goes on and on. People are making a lot of money every hour doing some simple tasks. The website that I'm talking about is HIVE Micro. As you can see, HIVE Micro, you'll be doing some simple tasks and making real money. And you can do this whether you're on an Android device or you're on an iPhone, and again from anywhere in the world. It's quite easy to sign up. You can go into your app store, or if you're on a laptop you can simply go on hivemicro.com. Then you're going to tap on sign up, and as you can see here, all you'll have to do is sign up, apply for jobs, complete the tasks, and get paid. And you can get paid via PayPal or Bitcoin. It's as easy as that. And some of the tasks that you can expect to do, as you can see here, you can do audio transcription if you like. You can also do bounding boxes, so you'll simply identify items of interest with one or many bounding boxes. And I took the liberty of signing up, so all you'll have to do is simply look, as you can see here. After signing up, you'll be led to this page, and you can see you'll be able to earn $40 to do a simple task like this. And you'll simply tap on take qualification test, and once you have taken the qualification test and you have passed, you'll be able to start the task. And if this is too complicated for you, you can select beginner friendly, and once you have selected beginner friendly, you can see tasks for 30 cents, which will be a lot easier. There are numerous jobs you can do on this platform and be able to earn money, and you will be able to get paid via PayPal. As I said earlier, all you'll have to do is tap on payroll at the top, and you'll be able to sign up. You'll select payment method, and you'll tap on update your payment settings right here. And as you can see, the threshold is $10. So once you have earned your first $10, you'll be able to withdraw the money via PayPal, or you can withdraw Bitcoin, and that's it. So if you are interested in making money online from anywhere in the world doing micro works, you should definitely give HIVE Micro a check. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.